Meet the akko 5075. Designed to elevate your typing and gaming experience. With its 75% layout, the akko 5075 Plus strikes the perfect balance between functionality and space-saving design. Whether you're coding, gaming, or working, it's tailored for every need. Personalize it to match your style. The akko 5075 Plus features vibrant PPT, keycaps, and hot swappable switches, allowing you to customize every press. Immerse yourself in dynamic RGB lighting with multiple customizable modes. Let your keyboard shine as brightly as your creativity. Enjoy the precision and comfort of mechanical switches, engineered to deliver a smooth and tactile typing experience. Stay connected effortlessly. The akko 5075 Plus supports wireless and wired modes, making it the ultimate companion for both work and play. Unleash your potential with the akko 5075 Plus. It's more than just a keyboard, it's your gateway to productivity and creativity.